Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to explore this beautiful home. We are in Cedar Creek, which is a city in the east of Austin and between Austin and Bastrop. But the city is also growing since Bastrop is growing and Austin is growing, so this city is just right in the middle. And well, this city has more like green areas, like more like rural areas, but at the same time they are very close to urban areas because the grocery store is more like 15-18 minutes approximately from here, and also the biggest stores, they are very close from here, approximately the same time. Also Austin is just about 20 minutes from here. The airport is also about 20-25 minutes from here. I think in my opinion it's pretty good. The location is good, the price is awesome, the size of the house is awesome, the size of the lot is amazing. So let me present it to you and let me know what you think about it here down below in the comments. Okay my friends, so let's start the tour here from the outside. And as we can see, well, the builder is using the garage as an office as right now, so that way the doors looks like that, but that is where the cars goes. And what do you think about this entrance? Please let me know here down below because I really love it, especially the materials. It is brick, and as we also see, there is a combination between brick and rock, and I really love it because it's super steady. And as you can see, the entrance also got these high ceilings, and I don't know you, but in my opinion it looks really good, and especially this door, because these doors also has this upgraded feature that they are very tall, about 5 feet. And as you can see, well, we're going to see that inside as well, but let's check it out, all the details, and let's start. Okay my friends, so as soon as we enter the house, we're going to see this foyer that in my opinion, look, if I touch this and I try to stretch my hand, I can't even touch it. I gotta come here to touch. So I think it's a good size of foyer, so that way you don't feel narrow. And right next to the front door is where we're going to find the first bedroom, so let's explore. Okay, so as we saw here on left, there are going to be the first 2 bedrooms. And let's go inside, because that way you're going to see how big or how small they are. In my opinion, this bed that is staged here is more like a double bed, and in my opinion you can place a queen bed here, especially because we have 2 nightstands right next to the bed. And as we turn around, we also see the detail of the floors, because this one is carpet, and over there in the hall we're going to see more like a kind of laminate floor. Also here, as we see the closet, we are going to notice how tall the doors are, and I really love this fixture because it really brings that elegant tone to the house. And well, inside the closet is going to be a very basic design inside the closet. Let's keep walking in here and let's compare these 2 bedrooms to see if maybe one is smaller or the other one might be larger. As we enter here, I think in my opinion this bedroom is kind of the same size, and if you would like the exact measurements, please let me know. We can ask for that information. I'm just presenting the house, but the builder has all the exact details. I think in my opinion you can also place a queen bed in here. This is more like a double bed, so it's smaller than the queen. And as we open this closet, we're going to see that the size is very similar as the one we just saw. But what do you guys think about this bedroom? I think it's very functional. Okay, so as we walk here, we also, let's check it out, the bathroom that is right between the 2 bedrooms, because this one is going to be very important for the people who are going to sleep on the bedrooms, and also for the guests. Usually the guests, when we have family or friends coming to their house, they're going to use this restroom as well, so a lot of people are going to use it. As we can see, we have some light fixtures up there and a good cabinet with double vanity. This bathroom has the bathtub, and it's important to have at least 1 tub in the whole house, at least 1. That is a recommendation. If you have a house with only showers and no any tub, it's a little bit harder to sell, so it's always good to have that in the house. And as we walk here on the hall, here on the right, we're going to see an extra room, and right before there is this door, but this door is for the garage, and right now I'm not opening because it is the builder's office, but it is the garage, and that's how you're going to enter your home. But let's see the size of this extra room because I really love it. I think it's very spacious. Well, it is staged as an office. Remember, this is going to be your house, and then you can use it as you would like it. Maybe you would like to use it more like a study room or like a music room, or the gym or the kids room, depending on how is the dynamic of you, your family, or the people you live with. But the size is really good. From the extra bedroom, I would like to say that I really love any extra bedroom that you can find in your home or in the home that you would like to buy, because since they don't have a closet, that is considered an extra bedroom and not a bedroom. So it's an extra space, extra room. And if you add a closet, you can even add more value to your house. So keep that in mind, because sometimes people want to buy 4-bedroom home and they feel that the price is high in comparison with a 3-bedroom home, which it is, at least here in Austin. And if you buy, for example, a 3-bedroom home with an extra room like this one, then you can build, your closet, and then you're going to have 4 bedrooms. So that is an idea for you to have a little bit more affordable home, but at the same time with the 4 bedrooms that you like. Okay, so now that we finished this room, let's continue the tour. And well, here we see a space that they put some decoration. Maybe you can do your mat room. And the laundry, I like this room because up there you can place some cabinets. Of course, that is going to be more like your design and more like your colors, but it has room between the machine and the door here, so you can place maybe a table or something that can help you organize the cleaning stuff and all the clothes. And right in front of it there is an extra closet here, which I think is a super plus, especially in the Austin area. I haven't seen any basement, so any closet that you find around that work for you as an storage is a super bonus. It really helps. Okay, my friends, now that we finished exploring this area, over there at the beginning of the tour, let's check it out how and all the details of this very open space. Well, it's not huge, but at the same time I feel that it's big. I feel that it's very comfortable, very cozy. So let's see it. Okay, so let's see this open space. Let's start with the kitchen and all the details. Please let me know here down below what you think about it. In my opinion, I love it because it's very spacious. One of the details of the kitchen are the lights. These lights that are hanging from the ceiling are not coming with the house, so keep that in mind. It could be the installation there for you to place them later. The fridge is also the fridge doesn't come with the house, but the other appliances, yes, like the stove, microwave, the dishwasher, yes, they come with the house. And this space where we see these cabinets around this window are an addition of the basic floor plan. So also keep that in mind. Maybe your home doesn't come with that, maybe one or maybe will, depending on if you would like to add it or not. And as we move here to the right, we are going to see the pantry. And let me know here down below if you like it or if you like it more spacious. There are so many families or people, owners, that they love it this way. There are other people that like it even bigger, but well, everything will depend on you. What I love from the kitchen is the amount of cabinets. All around has cabinets, so they really use all the space in here. Another detail to check here from the kitchen, if we see through the window, we're going to see the grass goes on until there. That will be the length of this lot, so that's how big it's going to be the lot. It's half an acre all around this house, so this is fantastic. Here the stove is a gas stove, so keep that in mind. There are so many people that like it, or not, but is there a detail here with the microwave, the vent fan. And as we turn around, well, please let me know here down below what you think about that kitchen. You can qualify it maybe with a 5 if you love it, or maybe with the number 1 if you didn't like it. But let me know here down below. And right where we are now is the the dining room area. And well, as you can see, this table has 6 chairs, so now you can imagine how long it is. But in my opinion, you can even place a longer table, so if you have more furnitures around to put, it will be good for you. You will be good. And as we move a little bit there, we're going to see also the living space. But I would like to point, there is a big space between this table and the couch, so that way you can imagine this is very spacious. I really love it, and especially all the light around this big open space. It is really modern, very elegant. I really love it. Okay, so now let's keep moving, and we're going to see the owner's bedroom. This one, I don't know, but I really love always to come and check this area. And as you can see, we also have good amount of windows, that way you have more light coming in. The king bed fit perfectly in the middle here in the bedroom, and there are more space between the bedroom and between the bed and the dresser. So that way you can imagine how big it is, like look, I'm walking here around very easily. The nightstands are wider than I usually see them, so that way you can have an idea how big it is. Double vanity sink with more light fixtures up there. That's very important. I think he also give a more elegant style to the bathrooms. And this shower doesn't come with the bathtub, but if there is any option to add it, I will leave it here down below in the description. Now let's check this closet, this space, because builders usually give you the basic design, but if you would like a more designish and more stylish closet, well, let me know. There is a very great interior designer here in Austin. I can pass to you, her contact. And look, even the water closet also got these tall doors, and I really love it. It's all around the house, giving it that that style and very modern. And here we're going to find another closet that it works as for an storage, for the owners. And I really love the side, because it's important to have that in the house. Okay, now that we explored this area, let's go and let's check outside. Remember, if you have any questions about any of the details of the home, please let me know. And at the same time, I can provide you information. And if I don't have it, but we can ask the builder. If you have any question, my phone number is 720-292-9541. Remember to like and subscribe. That way you're going to see all the options that are here in Austin, Texas. Okay, now that we're finished here, let's check out the backyard. And I think it's an important area that we're going to discuss, because there is a couple things that the basic floor plan comes with and some additions that you can add. So let's see them. Hi my friends, I would like to point 3 details about the backyard. So first, the backyard, the basic price comes without the grass in the back side of the house, because on the side and in front it comes with the green area. Now if you would like some sprinkle systems, you can add it as an option on top of the basic price. And also if you would like the fence, the same situation. It doesn't come with the fence, but if you would like to add it, that is up to you. And also the home comes with the septic system. And another detail that I forgot to say about the backyard is this cover area, which I think it are a really good size. Maybe if you would like to place some chairs, maybe a little table to share with your family. This tube that is here is for gas. So if you would like to do some barbecue here outside, you're totally welcome. You know, sometimes it comes 4th of July, the Christmas or New Year's Eve, and you know, in Austin, the weather by that time is fantastic. Usually, you know, every year can be different, but usually the weather is really good that you can open your doors and enjoy with your family the outside. Okay, my friends, thank you so much for visiting the channel today. And if you have any question about this home, please let me know. My phone is 720-292-9541. And also my email is helentatianagibson@gmail.com. So that way you can contact me. Also, well, if you have other questions about, you know, this home or any other home around this area or in Austin, please let me know because I'm here to help you. And if you also would like to sell a home, I can also help or assist you. And at the same time, if you would like to invest in a property here in Austin, Texas, there are so many ways, especially because Texas is pretty good state, I think, in my opinion, to do some investments. I don't know, I'm fascinated how Texas it is and how regulations are so for you to be an investor in this state. So, well, let me know if you have any question, if you would like to have any consultant or time, you know, to discuss what are your goals and how can I help you, or how real estate can help you achieving your goals. Well, let me know and then we can talk about it. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.